I keep trying to fix my life. Fix my anxiety, fix my overthinking, fix my fear. Sometimes it feels like my mind isn't even mine, like I'm living by rules I never agreed to. Who put those rules in me, those beliefs, and why do they feel like truth?
Welcome to the sleeping world. Beliefs are not just thoughts. They are the invisible laws you live under. Without realizing you're obeying them. A belief is a lens, and whatever lens you look through becomes your reality. That is why two people can stand in the same moment, and one feels peace while the other feels panic. One feels possibility while the other feels behind. One feels guided while the other feels judged, not because life is different for them, but because the meaning they've been trained to see is different. Most beliefs were never chosen. They were absorbed. They entered through repetition, through tone of voice, through survival, through the unspoken rules of childhood. And some beliefs didn't come from words at all. They came from moments. A moment you were laughed at, so you learned. I must not be seen. A moment you were compared, so you learned. I must be better to be loved. A moment you failed, so you learned. Mistakes are dangerous. A moment you watched adults struggle, so you learned. Life is hard and I must stay ready. These beliefs were not evil. They were protection. But protection becomes a prison when you forget it was built during a different season of your life. Here is what the sleeping world does. It takes old survival beliefs and dresses them up as truth. It convinces you that urgency is wisdom, that self-criticism is improvement, that pressure is love, that anxiety is responsibility. So you spend years trying to fix the feeling, while the belief beneath the feeling continues to generate it. And that is why you can heal a symptom and still feel the same heaviness return. Because the source isn't the problem you're reacting to. The source is the belief that tells you who you are in the problem. The real awakening begins when you stop asking, how do I fix myself? And you start asking, what am I believing that makes me live like this? The moment a belief is seen as a belief, it starts to loosen, because you cannot be controlled by something you can finally name. And once choose to see the programming, you will meet the most common belief in the sleeping world, the one hiding beneath fear, urgency, overthinking, and comparison. I'm not enough.
Those rules in your head, Alice? You know they're not the truth, they're programming. You are the one who chooses the lens. The choice has always been yours.
I have always held the power to choose my beliefs. I choose to believe the truth.
Before you enter the next rabbit hole, complete your level quest.
One, write 5 beliefs you've been treating as truth. 2, circle the one belief that shows up the most. 3, under it, write this exactly, your truth. I am enough now. I am safe to slow down. Choose your next rabbit hole.